The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra was the first flagship smartphone to carry the Ultra branding, which Samsung introduced for its top-tier Galaxy S models 3 years prior. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S20 Ultra was its large 5,000 mAh battery. The 5,000 mAh battery specification has remained unchanged in subsequent Galaxy S Ultra models, including the latest release, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Our initial interaction with the phone suggests that the battery size finally gives a tangible sense of being substantial. It's undeniable that a 5,000 mAh battery is a significant capacity, whether it's in a mid-range or flagship phone. At the launch of the Galaxy S20 Ultra, the expectation was that its 5,000 mAh battery would result in exceptional battery life. However, this was not the case for those who had the variant equipped with Samsung's Exynos 990 chipset. Thankfully, after the release of the Ultra Galaxy flagships 3 years ago, Samsung has finally accomplished its objective from 2020. The battery life of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is remarkable, even compared to the preceding Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to my personal experience with the S23 Ultra, after less than 2 days of usage, the battery life has already surpassed what they previously experienced with prior Galaxy S Ultra models. As the phone becomes familiar with my usage patterns and optimizes power usage accordingly in the coming days, it is expected that the battery life will improve even further. While it may not match the class-leading battery endurance of Apple's iPhone 13 Pro Max or iPhone 14 Pro Max, Samsung has made significant strides in closing the gap, making it a notable accomplishment. The reason behind this impressive battery performance is likely the 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, which is custom-made for Samsung's new flagships in collaboration with Qualcomm and manufactured by TSMC. Compared to the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, this chip operates at a higher clock speed. While there were concerns that the efficiency gains would be compromised due to the elevated clock speed, these worries have not been realized in real-world usage. As with any new phone, a more comprehensive evaluation of the Galaxy S23 Ultra will require further testing over several days. However, the initial battery life and overall impressions of the device have been positive for everyone who have the S23 Ultra. It is hoped that this positive experience will continue as they continue to use the phone in the days to come. That's it for today. Now, what are your thoughts on this? Comment below, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.